Hey guys, so now we're going to be going through the questions for the Edexcel Biology B revision for lipids. Okay, so question number 1, describe the main difference between a saturated and unsaturated lipid and the effect of this difference on the properties of the lipids. Okay, so saturated, we said they contain fatty acids that have only single bonds throughout the carbon atoms in the chain. So you've got only single bonds. A unsaturated lipid is when the fatty acid chain have one or more double carbon bonds within the chain. So you need to have at least one to be classified as unsaturated. And the effect, well, we said that these are more likely solids at room temperature than unsaturated. And just going a step further, but you might have heard that saturated fats are the bad ones. Well, yes, these saturated fats is what causes plaque in the arteries, and that's just when your arteries, instead of being like this, they will look like this because the fat is embedded inside the arteries, and this reduces the blood going through, and that's what leads to a stroke or a heart attack, because not enough blood's going through, so not enough oxygen is reaching those cells. Right, question number 2. Explain how triglycerides are formed. Okay, so we said that triglycerides are formed through a condensation reaction. Condensation reaction is what forms every single bond throughout the biology course. And it's between 1 glycerol and 3 fatty acids. And the bond formed is called an ester bond. And so triglycerides will have 3 ester bonds. And through the condensation reaction, we have 1 molecule of water being formed. And that's it. I will also put up a link in the description for the answers that have been published to these questions.